Hi, my name is Mu'minah Mustaqimah and I'm part of Bogor Waqf Forest Foundation team in Indonesia. Our project called Waqf for Earth or W4E. It is a forest restoration program in Pamijahan, Bogor, one of the most landslide-prone areas in West Java. Located in the feet of Mount Salak, people here highly depend on forest and farming for their daily lives. Sadly, deforestation and poor land use have made the land unstable and the landslide often happen. With W4E, we are restoring the slopes by planting trees and involving local communities, especially young and women. What makes this project different is that the forest is built on Waqf land. Waqf is an Islamic endowment, which means that the land is protected as a forest for eternity. I want to become a restoration steward because this is my home, my people, and I want to grow together with them to pursue our better future. Thank you.